Community groups say they're offended by the bill. They consider it uncivilized and racially biased, and they blame news media coverage for making juvenile crime worse than it actually is.
We are here opposing this bill, and we are going to demand that Governor Wes Moore reject and veto this bill that will widen mass incarceration literally to 10-year-old babies, and those children will be black.
The House and Senate passed different versions of the legislation that still need to be ironed out, and that's where community groups believe the bill can be amended to their liking. If changes aren't made, they want the bill to be turned into a study, and if that doesn't happen, they want the governor to veto it.
Let's not operate out of a spirit of fear, but of love, power, and self-control. Our children need care and not cages.
The organizations oppose bringing 10, 11, and 12-year-olds charged with gun violations, third-degree sex offense, and car theft into the juvenile system.
We should all be doing everything that we can to preserve this kid's childhood and protect them from the harms of the court system, which should be our absolute last resort.
One major difference in the House and Senate bills concerns the intake process. Under the House bill, preteen first offenders can be arrested but not detained. Instead, they would enter a one-time diversion program. The Senate mandates a child in need petition process. The SINs would be filed by police so that the court can determine what services are needed by the child and their family. Some community groups blame media coverage of juvenile crime for pressuring lawmakers to make changes in the current law.
It's overrepresented in the media to create an environment that triggers, though that's societal propaganda, that triggers people's willingness to see young black people as disposable, as inherently criminal.
State House leaders tell me it's very unlikely the bill will be changed to meet the group's demands. Governor Moore said at the time the bill was introduced that he will enthusiastically sign it when it reaches his desk. Reporting from Annapolis, David Collins, WBIL TV 11 News.